Hey everyone, today we're diving into a significant court ruling that has serious implications. Let's break down the case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia. So here's the situation. On April 17, 2025, the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals denied the Trump administration's appeal to overturn a lower court's order. This order demanded the government return Kilmar Abrego Garcia to the US. Pretty intense, right? Now, who is Kilmar Abrego Garcia? He was deported to El Salvador on March 15, 2025, despite a 2019 court order that protected him from deportation due to fears of persecution. The government labeled him as an MS-13 member, but the court had already ruled that deporting him was a major mistake. Here's where it gets even more complicated. The Trump administration, including President Trump, Attorney General Pam Bondi, and Secretary of State Marco Rubio, claimed they couldn't bring him back, even after the Supreme Court ordered them to make it happen. And if that's not enough, El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele also refused to return him, even after meeting with Trump. The Fourth Circuit judges didn't hold back in their criticism. They pretty much said the government was imprisoning a US resident in a foreign country without due process. Regardless of the allegations against Abrego Garcia, the judges emphasized he is entitled to due process. The court made it clear that the Supreme Court's order wasn't something the government could just ignore. They are required to his release, not just wash their hands of it. The judges were really concerned about the precedent this sets. They even pointed out that if this continues, it could lead to future deportations of American citizens under similar circumstances. This case highlights a significant clash between the executive and judicial branches. The judge's strong condemnation of the administration's actions underscores the importance of due process and the rule of law. So, what does this all mean? It's a powerful reminder of the checks and balances in our government. And it's a stark warning about the potential consequences when those checks are ignored. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on important cases like this one. See you next time.